I'm going to show you how to put a hyperlink in the body of an email that you're sending from Excel. This is a problem that I was having producing an email for a course that I'm teaching. And I used HTML as the body of my email because I have a large graphic that's included in my email. And I was having difficulty in producing a hyperlink to register within the body of the email. And so came up with a solution. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this. You can see that my two people on my mail out are Fred Flintstone and Barney Rubble. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this code. And so then you get two emails. I have them displayed as opposed to sent. And so then here I have hello Barney, and then I have my click to register here. And if you can see that that when I mouse over it, it is truly a link. And then I have my large graphic on the bottom. So let me explain the code, how it works. The declarations are the same. Email address, subject is a string, message is a string, and we go all the way down. I have put also name as a string and string body. And string body is because I'm doing it in HTML, and so I need to have a little bit different things happening here. And so then I have a do while and x equals 2, do while sheets 1 or column 1 where email addresses until they don't have anything in them. Set Outlook app, Outlook mail, and then I say name equals sheet1.Cells column 1, and edress equals sheet1 column 2, and file name is the big graphic that I'm attaching on the bottom, is called conditional.jpg. Okay, so here's my string body, and this is where my HTML is. I have hello, and then I have, so this is going to be we have a greater than sign, a BR, and a less than sign. Because I am not able to put greater than or less than in the description of my video, when I include the video in my code, I will just have spaces for where there's a greater than, a less than here. So basically I have opening break, hello, and then I have and then I have the name, so that it's nice that I can include the name. Okay, then the rest is all pretty the same. And now I go into the bottom here, and for my hyperlink, I go click href equals, and then I have ampersand, a quotation and an ampersand, and 4 quotation marks and another ampersand, and then I have the link with quotations around it. And then if I scroll across, once again, I have an ampersand, 4 quotation marks, and a quotation mark, a greater than sign. I will not be able to include this greater than sign in the description of my video. And then I have here to click here to register. For my graphic that's large, what I do is I have image source conditional formatting, and I have the path further up there, and then I say the graphic in this display how big I want it to have it. And frame 2 is my conditional formatting, subject upcoming webinar, and then it says, and then it's basically no CCs, no BCs. Subject is upcoming webinar. Attachment is add path, and file name 2 being my large graphic body. And HTML string equals string body plus break and .html and .display. If you wanted to send it, you could just have a .send here instead, and then end with address equals nothing, x equals x plus 1, and then we go to our loop because I'm going to do while. When it's done the loop, it says set Outlook app to nothing and set Outlook mail to nothing and sub. So that's how you create a hyperlink in your email body that's sent from Excel. Now, I will include the code in this description. Please note that I am, once again, I'm limited to not being able to put these opening and closing brackets on my description. So you'll have to add them yourself, and this is how you do it. Please subscribe.